Welcome to our channel. While Amazon Prime Video itself doesn't have a Wi-Fi calling feature, you can enable Wi-Fi calling on your device to improve connectivity while streaming. Step 1. Open Settings on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to Phone or Connections depending on your device type. Step 3. Look for Wi-Fi calling option in the phone settings menu. Step 4. Toggle on Wi-Fi calling to enable the feature. Step 5. Follow any prompts to set up emergency address information if required by your carrier. Step 6. Once enabled, your device will use Wi-Fi networks for calls when cellular signal is weak. Step 7. Open Amazon Prime Video and stream your favorite content while Wi-Fi calling ensures you can still receive calls. Step 8. Having Wi-Fi calling enabled provides seamless connectivity, even if you're in an area with poor cellular coverage while watching Prime Video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.